Hello YouTube, and welcome to my cold start video. We're in northern Ontario. It's not too cold out today. It's only minus 15 or so Celsius, of course. So here's just a quick video on a cold start on the 2016 Ram EcoDiesel. I just got just over 26,000 clicks on this truck. There we go. Pretty good. Just to prove that it was a cold start. Coolant -8. She started pretty good. And one thing I noticed also with the EcoDiesels is, because right now my climate is off on the truck, and it's idling just over 1,000. But I found if you turn the heat on, she revs up. Let's see, close to 14. So the only downfall I can say with this truck is that it doesn't have a high idle option with it. Only the Cummins do. But you know, it's all good. And a winter tip for this truck also, I heard a lot of guys complaining that their DEF fluid freezes up. A tip I got from a mechanic at a Dodge. He said, keep your tank as low as possible when you put it in. Yeah, my windshield's cracked my windshield 2 weeks after getting the truck. So yeah, for the DEF, keep your tank as low as possible during the winter months. It's because your DEF tank gets heated up with your coolant as you drive, right? So the less you have, the quicker it is to warm up. Your DEF will freeze at a minus 11 degrees Celsius temperature. So if you can keep the tank low, I fill it up. I think I put 4 liters at a time, 4 or 5 liters at a time there. Just that small jug, just enough so that so the truck doesn't warm me, that it won't start in you know, after 800 kilometers or so. So here you go, a quick little review. There we go, minus 17 outside. So like I said, it's not that cold. You know, we get temperatures up here in the north, minus 30, minus 40 sometimes. So maybe I'll hit another video up when it gets colder. Alright.